Sunday. We're doing drag racing. Watch Dorito and the Lucha Cabre as they assemble the Tao. You'll pay for the whole seat, but you'll only use the edge.
What's going on, YouTube? Dorito here with Jorge Voodoo from the Voodoo Glow Skulls.
What's up, everybody?
And today we got ourselves the Tao Motor T Force midsize ATV. And we're going to take it out for a ride and check it out. We're going to get George on it, see what he thinks of it. What do you think of it initially, George?
Well, I mean, it says it has high charge coils and rev right CDI, some tough axles, so we're going to put it to the test today and see how it handles up here.
Yeah, it is a lot like the Tao Motor Cheetah as well, too. And you like that one as well, too. We had a blast on that. You guys recently saw the video with the other ATVs. So we're going to let George go ahead and take this out for a ride and then let us know what he thinks afterwards. All right? So let's get on with it.
Let's go have some fun.
Shall we? We're back, and this is the Tao Motor T Force midsize ATV. What did you think of it, George?
Oh, it was a fun little four-wheeler, man. The throttle was all there. It got me up the hills, no problem. I am a little bit big for this particular model, but again, it handled just fine for me, even being a bigger size. The suspension was great. Around the turns, handled great. I was able to just throw it around wherever I needed to, and these racks actually came in really handy, so, you know, it's an all-around good little machine to have, whether you're just going out in the hills having fun or you're going to use it as a little workhorse on the ranch, what have you. These racks come in great and nice and handy.
Yeah, the cool thing about this one's just like the Cheetah. It has the same drivetrain and all the cool stuff like the rev right CDI, the big axle, the high charge coils, you know, all that different stuff, the wireless shutoff, all that different stuff like that. The only difference is it has the racks and it's a little bit body shape difference. They're really fun little quads. That's why we keep coming back to these things and enjoying them. So anyways, I want to thank you for coming in and checking it out, George.
Thanks for having me.
And you guys, you know, keep on watching. We'll be having more stuff.
Ice cream man is coming! The ice cream man is coming!
Don't forget to come back to Luch Mob Garage.